Okay, I'm getting ready to add some flowers in the front of my yard. Some freesias. They look pretty. Look at here. Got these from Dollar Tree. They come with 3 bulbs in a pack. So I'm gonna spread these out in front of my yard. Add some more flowers up here in the front. Make it look beautiful. Okay, I'm getting ready to plant my freesia flowers around in my garden bed in the front of my yard. I have 12 bulbs that I dug 12 holes for them. So now I'm getting ready to sow them into the soil. Then we just wait and see them grow beautiful for us. Okay, just take, let's say, put it in the pointing side up, and then cover them back up with the soil. Okay, 1 down, 11 more to go. There goes one right there. Okay, freesia. Grow beautiful for us.